So everyone, ako a new updates so that even the text says I'm not sleeping on my bed in Minecraft because this take me days, literal days, and real life days. Oh my god. Couple of updates. I growed this all by hand. Yes. I put everything down and create a world. And actually this is a new world, but the changes take me like 2 days to build. Let's go explore my builds. So this is the entrance. This is, I think, the meeting or where the soldiers meet. This is called the meet. And this is called, wait a minute. This is called the front lines, whatever you call this. And this is the support. Yeah, that's it. Support. And there's covers. It's kind of great. Honestly, you can hear in real life. Yeah, I don't know why it's always like disintegrate into the hills. I don't know why they called this in World War One. And this is the tank. Don't know how they call that, but anyway, so let's explore just a bit. We have our white armor means British UK. And yellow armor, golden armor means German side. I'm UK side. Yeah, shut up, Android man. Just shut up, man. The path that leads to nowhere. That's it. And here also that leads to nowhere. Yeah, it leads to this cave. I'm traumatized from that. That sound when you're in the dark Minecraft for too long. Every flower is dead. Some are alive. That's the only two that's good. And I added a map. Some are not complete, but we just don't notice that. That's it. Bye.